My name is Eunice Llanos. My job title is the HR coordinator. I decided to come to this workshop because I recently got handed leave of absences or LOAs across the organization, so I wanted to make sure that I did a good job handling every single one of them. One of the most important things I learned in this workshop was to make sure that I send out communication to the employee or the staff member that we have on leave and to document everything. This workshop has changed my perspective in managing leaves and accommodations because it gave me an outline to follow, sort of like a checklist to make sure that I am checking everything, making sure I'm dotting my I's and crossing my T's throughout the whole process. I would recommend this training to every single HR person in the department. I wouldn't specifically just keep it to HR. I believe that managers and supervisors should attend this workshop just because it gives them an extra outlook on what they can do and what they cannot do during a leave of absence process.